Hiring an industrial painter in New England for 2026 is a huge maintenance decision. Getting it wrong here costs more. A project in Massachusetts runs far above the national average. That high cost is driven by a materials revolution like self-healing nanotechnology coatings. These advanced materials are now a requirement to fight New England's climate. We'll break down the tech, the hidden risks, and the contractor qualifications you need for 2026. First, you must understand the battlefield. Why is New England so hard on industrial coatings? You're fighting a multi-front war. Coastal salt air accelerates corrosion. High humidity traps moisture behind paint, causing it to blister and peel away. Then you face severe freeze-thaw cycles. These create microscopic cracks in coatings, letting water seep in and destroy the substrate from the inside out. On top of the weather is a dense web of regulations. Federal OSHA and EPA rules are just the start. If your building is pre-1978, your contractor must be an EPA LEED Safe certified firm. No exceptions. And in 2026, the push for sustainability means strict adherence to low VOC formulations is mandatory. With all these threats, what's the single biggest reason multi-million-dollar coating projects fail? It's not the paint. It isn't even the weather. The most common cause of premature failure is poor surface preparation. Think of it this way. The best coating is useless if applied over invisible rust or old paint. It cannot form a molecular bond with the substrate, guaranteeing failure. Proper prep is intensive. Abrasive blasting, high-pressure washing, and degreasing to get the perfect surface profile for adhesion. This is where the real work happens. This leads to the most dangerous trap, the cheapest quote. A low-balling contractor always cuts corners on the labor-intensive prep you can't see until it's too late. Choosing that quote doesn't save 20% now. It means you'll pay 200% later when the entire system fails in 5 years instead of lasting 15. So if the risks are this high, what does an elite 2026 contractor bring to the table to guarantee success? They use science. They specify coatings for specific threats, intumescent paints for fire protection, or chemical-resistant coatings for processing areas. They use nanotechnology for superior corrosion resistance and self-healing properties that repair minor scratches automatically to maintain the protective barrier. They also use technology for flawless application. Automated systems ensure a perfect, uniform coating thickness that is impossible to achieve by hand. This precision minimizes waste, and when combined with fast-curing systems, drastically reduces project time and costly facility downtime. So, back to our question. What's the biggest reason projects fail? It's not just poor prep. It's hiring a contractor who allows poor prep to happen. This is why vetting is everything. The technology is worthless in the wrong hands. What qualifications are non-negotiable? 1. Verifiable certifications. Demand AMPP QP1 and QP2 and ensure their team has OSHA 30 safety training, not just the basic OSHA 10. 2. Ironclad insurance. Ask for certificates. For high-value assets, demand a $5 million umbrella policy, minimum. 3. A documented safety culture. Don't just ask if they're safe, request their safety manual, their training records, and their emergency procedures. Now let's connect the dots. How does a safety culture actually affect the longevity of your paint job? A strong safety culture proves a contractor has the discipline to train their team on complex procedures, like applying advanced nanotechnology coatings to perform as designed. This is why New England projects cost more. That premium isn't for paint, it's for a contractor who has mastered the region's climate, regulations, and material science. The real return on your investment is determined by this expertise. It's the difference between a coating that fails after one bad winter and one that protects your asset. In 2026, you're not just hiring a painter. You are selecting a materials science and risk management partner for your facility. Remember the 3 keys. Demand proof of advanced certifications, verify their insurance is rock solid, and scrutinize their process from surface prep to final inspection. Don't just choose the best price. Choose the partner who can protect your multi-million-dollar asset for the next generation. To help you make the right choice, check out the link in the description.